Hello, this is Ask Anastasia, and I hope you remember this house I was showing you when it was still in progress of remodeling. And today we had a Section 8 inspection and we did not pass the inspection. So by the end of this video, I'm gonna show you reason why we did not pass the inspection. But for now, let me just show you house. This is a ranch house and it's really easy to rent it because everybody here really wants to have one level house. But it has a nice backyard. It's really nice and quiet neighborhood, like you can see, not many neighbors, really peaceful. Okay, and it has fire pit. It used to have a pool right there for this deck. And let's go inside. Let me show you how it's look after it's completely done and finished. So to give you just an idea how it's supposed to look when you're doing rental properties. Again, it's just my opinion, and in this house we have so many disagreements with my partner because he was trying to finish as fast as possible. Okay, this is entrance. We walk from here and it has large living room. As you can see, he did not do anything to the flooring. I was insisting on refinishing flooring, but he decided to just leave it as is. This is entrance. It has closet in the entrance, and my idea was, you see this kind of kitchen hook. So I was thinking to put it wall, and this way we will have one more bedroom. Because as you know, when you're renting, you see this area, you just put a wall right there and it's become one more bedroom. And this has pretty big living room. But he decided not to do it, so this house, it's like 3-bedroom house right now. But let me show you. It has fireplace. As you can see, he still has some tools here. And this is master bedroom. That's how it's look right now. Again, nothing has been done to the floor, just everything is clean. This is bathroom. And in the bathroom, he didn't do anything to the bathroom. You see, just clean. But we put new vanity and new toilet and flooring. And flooring, as you can see, guy who was putting them was not doing a pretty good job. I don't know why he cannot see that it has pattern, but he didn't do anything for it. And from here we have bedroom number 2. It has closet, and again you see the floors. Like for me, I don't like it, but it's past Section 8 inspection, okay? So sometimes don't overdo it. And 3rd bedroom. Again, flooring is not perfect. And we have one more bathroom right here. And in this bathroom, we did not even change vanity. We left everything as it was. We put new toilet and really clean bathtub. And I usually put curtain here because some tenant will not put it, and you're the one who has to deal with all the water damage. He did not do it. What is all these noises? Kind of scary. Okay. And we have kitchen right here. I'm alone in the house. I don't know what's all these noises. It has a nice dining area where you can put table. And this was our biggest arguments. Like, he did not allow me to paint these cabinets. You see, we put this backsplash, it's all new stainless steel appliance. It's even have dishwasher. But I would paint this cabinets gray color and I think it would look amazing, but his argument is wood and it's in pretty decent shape, so why to bother? I don't know, guys, what do you think? It has tile cabinets here, and this is entrance to this small hook. Again, I'm just showing you condition of the floors. It's obvious rug was here and it has discoloration, but again, this was not the issue why we did not pass the inspection. And let me show you basement. This house has a huge basement. I hope noises were not coming from here. Okay, you see the basement, how big it is? All what we did, we paint floors, we repair ceilings, and it has one room right here, which section 8 will not count as a room because it does not have windows. And it has one more room right here, which will be counted as a bedroom if you're gonna put a door right here, okay? And this has another bathroom right there. Okay, not much done here, just cleaned. And this is a utility room, I would say. So that's how house look right now. We put new AC unit, it's outside, but all this duct work was done, you know, new water heater. But let me show you why we did not pass the inspection. All this, like you would think about flooring, nope. Let me show you reason. Okay, we can go outside from here. You see all this? Probably noises, and you see here we have kind of protection. So this protection needs to be put everywhere around the house. This was number one. And number two is this beautiful deck. And think here that it has railing everywhere except this part. You see, there is no railing here because it was a pool here, but it's hazard. If kids gonna get on the top of it and they jump and fell, it's gonna be your fault. So we need to put railing all the way around the deck, or we need to remove the deck. I'm not sure what we're gonna do, but this is amazingly reason why we did not pass inspection. Not because of the floors, not because of, I don't know, kitchen is not that pretty, but only because of this thing. Thank you for watching it. I hope it's give you some valuable information. And this house, it's still available for rent because tenant who applied, she has 4-bedroom voucher and she passed all the requirements, you know, but today they get back to me saying that this house is just 3-bedroom. So we need to fight and decide what we're gonna do with it. But thank you anyway for watching it. As always, subscribe, like the video, and I really appreciate you. Bye.